today's video, I'll show you how to create a workflow in N8n so you can automate tasks and streamline your day with just a few simple steps. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official N8n website. Once the page loads, sign into your account and, if you're new, create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the option to start from scratch or open your workflow list and choose the Create Workflow button. This opens a fresh canvas where your automation will come to life. You see an option to add your first step. Click it to select a trigger node. This is what decides when your workflow begins. If you want it to run on a schedule, choose the schedule trigger and set the timing that works best for you. You can make it run daily, weekly, or at any interval you prefer. Once your trigger is set, it's time to build out the rest of your workflow. Use the search bar to add the nodes you need, whether it's sending data, updating a spreadsheet, or connecting to an app. Configure each node by entering the required settings and any needed credentials. Then, link the nodes together so each action flows smoothly into the next. When your workflow is fully assembled, test it using the Test Workflow button. This lets you run it manually and confirm everything works exactly as expected. If anything needs adjusting, make the changes and test again until the automation runs flawlessly. And that's all it takes. You've just created a complete workflow in N8n and unlocked a powerful way to automate your tasks. As your needs grow, you can always come back, update and expand your workflows to make them even more efficient. Enjoy the productivity boost and happy automating.